Do you know if your net worth has increased? Hey homeowners, did you know you could be sitting on a gold mine this year? Let's talk about the one thing that skyrocketed for you, your home equity. Home equity isn't just a number, it's one of the most powerful assets you have as a homeowner. But here's the kicker, most people have no idea how much equity they've built or how to use it to grow their net worth. Imagine selling your home and walking away with hundreds of thousands in cash. Or using that equity to pay for a renovation you've been wanting, college tuition, or putting a large amount down on your next dream home. It's like having a financial superpower. Here's how it works. Take your home's current market value, subtract what you owe on your mortgage, and boom, that's your equity. For example, if your home's worth $500,000 and you owe $250,000, that's $250,000 in equity just sitting there. And according to CoreLogic's US, homeowners have seen their equity jump nearly 10% since last year. Want to know what your home's equity looks like? Let's find out together. I'll create a personalized home value report just for you so you can see how much equity you've built and how to put it to good use. Message me or give me a call. Together, let's unlock your financial potential. I'm Michelle Kelley with Rockstar Realty, powered by EXP. And remember, when you do what you love, people love what you do. Comment below or reach out to me directly so I can prepare a comparative market analysis report for your home. Let's talk about how I can help you achieve your goals today. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more real estate tips and tricks, the latest market updates, and new and upcoming listings. Let me know in the comments what you would do with your home equity. See you in the next video.